Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to create a custom route on Google Maps. So first of all, you click on Google Maps, then you search where you want to be headed to. Let's say you want to go to Trafalgar Square. Then you click on directions, and then you click where you are, maybe where you are coming from. Let's say Big Ben. For you to choose where you're coming from, you can just delete this and just click on your location. You click on Big Ben, and then you click route by car, which is the first option. Route by public transport, which is the second option. You click on it. And then route by taking a walk as a pedestrian, and then routes by cab and by cycling. That's how to use Google Maps for your locations and for you to be able to customize your routes. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.